Mastering Kinematics, your O-level physics guide. Ever wondered how rockets launch into space, or how a football curves perfectly into the goal? It all boils down to kinematics, the study of motion. Let's unlock the secrets of movement together. Kinematics is a branch of physics that describes the motion of objects without considering the forces that cause the motion. Think of it as describing how things move, not why. We'll be focusing on displacement, velocity, and acceleration. We'll explore these concepts in one dimension first, making it easier to understand. Then, we can apply these principles to more complex two-dimensional motion later on. Distance is the total length of the path traveled by an object. Imagine walking around a square. The distance is the sum of all four sides. It's a scalar quantity, meaning it only has magnitude. Displacement, on the other hand, is the shortest distance between the initial and final positions. It's a vector quantity, meaning it has both magnitude and direction. Think of it as a straight line from start to finish. Velocity is the rate of change of displacement. It tells us how quickly an object is changing its position and in what direction. It's also a vector quantity. Speed, however, is the rate of change of distance. It only tells us how fast an object is moving, not its direction. Speed is a scalar quantity. Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity. If an object's velocity is changing, it's accelerating. This change can be in speed, direction, or both. A car speeding up, slowing down, or turning a corner is all experiencing acceleration. Remember, acceleration is also a vector quantity. These equations are your best friends when solving kinematics problems. They relate displacement, s, initial velocity, u, final velocity, v, acceleration, a, and time, t. The key equations are v equals sine u plus at, s equals sine ut plus 1/2 a to 2, and v2 equals sine u2 plus 2 as. Practice using these equations with different scenarios to master them. Read the problem carefully and identify what you're given and what you need to find. Draw a diagram to visualize the motion. This helps in understanding the problem better. Choose the appropriate equation of motion based on the information you have. Substitute the known values into the equation and solve for the unknown. Always include units in your final answer. Free fall is a special case of motion where the only force acting on an object is gravity. The acceleration due to gravity is approximately 9.8 ms2, often rounded to 10 ms2 for simplicity. Remember that the acceleration due to gravity always acts downwards. This means that objects thrown upwards will slow down until they reach their highest point, then accelerate downwards. Congratulations! You've now covered the fundamental concepts of kinematics. Understanding these principles is crucial for success in your O-level physics exams. Now put your knowledge to the test. Solve practice problems from your textbook and past papers. If you found this video helpful, subscribe and share it with your friends. Good luck with your studies.